probably need, unless you're in a rock in Sardinia, you're going to need a chair, okay? Something you can put your hand on about this height. Normally it's around just sort of between the waist and the hip height, okay? I'm just going to lean on this. So I'm going to start by having my feet together like so, drawing the tummy muscles in, and we're just going to breathe in to bend the knees and breathe out to come up. So it's an inhale to bend and exhale up. Inhale, bend. Now I always talk about the breathing only because I find it's very calming to do the breathing, but you can put on your music if you like. When I do this in my bar class, we do all this to pop music, which makes it great fun. So we're going to bend and up. What you've got today, you've got no music, but you've got the sound of the Mediterranean right at my feet here, so it's lovely. And up, good. So you're going to keep going, bend and up, bend and up. 2 more. Bend and up, bend and up. Now we're going to lift all the way up onto the toes, not easy on a beach, and then we're going to lower down. So you're going to lift up and you're just going to bring the arm up and take it down. And we're going to lift up and down. We're going to lift up and down. Lift up and down, up and down. 2 more. Lift and down, lift. You're going to stay up, you're going to hold it there, and you're going to bend the knees. You're going to think as if you're sitting on a chair, okay? So you're nice and low. You can feel the thighs starting to burn, and you can do a little pulse here. So we're going to pulse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one more time. 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to lift up, you're going to lower, and we're going to turn the feet out. Now we're going to bend and straighten. We call this a Demi Plie. Those of you that have done ballet will know this. So you're going to bend and straighten. And when you straighten, you're going to squeeze your butt cheeks together, okay? So it's bend and straighten. Bend. I'm not going to show you that bit. And bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Good. Now we're going to put the hand on the hip. We're just going to lift up, whoops, and lower down. I'm sinking into the sand. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift. So it's working your ankles, but it's also working your calf muscles. So good for toning the calves. And lift and lower. Lift and lower and lift. Now you're going to bend the knees, going into our little pulses. So we're going to pulse 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tummies in, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Little bend, lifting up and lower. Now we're going to go into a slightly wider position. I'm hoping I can do this on the beach. This is called second position, so nice and wide, slightly turned out. Again, think of tummies in, and then you're going to bend and straighten. Bend and straighten. Bend and up. Bend and up. Good. Bend and up. Bend and up. Bend and up. One more time. Bend and up. You're going to lift up onto the toes and down. I'm sinking in the sand. We're going to go up and down. Good. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Now you're going to lift. What we're going to do, we're going to bend the knees and we're going to pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Sinking down, pushing up through those legs and lowering down. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to see this little rock here. I'm going to come to this rock and I'm going to try some exercises for the back of the legs and the bottom. Okay, you can still do this on a chair. It's just this is a bit easier for me because it's a bit lower. All right, we'll see how splashy we get. So we're going to lean on the rock. All right. And we are going to have the foot just right underneath the hip, actually, like this. And you're going to have your right leg up first. So this is my right leg coming out of the water. Okay, you're going to draw the tummy muscles in. You're going to reach out, and then we're going to lift and lower. Lift and lower. So it's lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. 2 more. Lift and lower. Lift and lower. They're going to lift up, and I do this in my bar class. You're going to bend the leg, and then you're going to bend the foot like so. You can imagine you're kicking up to the sky. So we're going to push up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to bring the knee in, and you're going to round the back. So you're going to have a nice little rounded back, stretching out the lower back, and then you're going to take it out and reach it all the way back. Good. You're going to bring it in, and you're going to take it out. You're going to bring it in, and you're going to take it out. You're going to bring it in and out. In and out. In and out. One more. In and out. So you're going to leave it there, and you're going to do the circles. We're going to circle around. So you're drawing a circle with the foot. Around. 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 Oh, this is quite a workout. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to go the other way. Reverse the direction. Around. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and coming down. And now we're going to go on to the other leg. So I'm going to do that in a minute. Just to remind you, when you do these, you're trying to keep your body as still as possible by holding your tummy muscles in. All right, because that means you're going to get the workout here as well. So we're going to go to the other side. Here we go. So we've got the left leg behind. You're going to reach that body out, draw the tummy muscles in, and then here we go. We're going to lift and lower, 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 lift and lower. 2 more. And lower, lift. You're going to hold. You're going to flex the foot, flex at the knee. I don't know if I'm doing the same order, but we'll do the same exercises. Going up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to draw the knee in, rounding the spine, then you're going to take it back, kicking back. You're going to draw it in and take it back, kicking back, and in. Oh, this is rather nice with the water, I have to say. And in and back, and in and back, in and back, in and back. And we're going to do those circles. So we're going to go out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Other way, and in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to go in, and we're going to kick back again, and back, and in, and kick back, in, and kick back, in, and kick back, in, and kick back. One more, in, and kick back. Changing on to the other leg, we're doing another set of those. So we're going to come in, and kick back, in. I think I'm just doing it because I like splashing around in the water, and up, and in, and kick back, in, and kick back, in, and kick back, in, and kick back, in, and kick back. And there we go. That is bar on the rock in Sardinia. Hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to press the thumbs up button, and I hope to see you soon. Whew, quite out of breath now. Thank you. See you later.